It was a moment that made history, but when Louis Bleriot announced in 1909 that he'd fly across the English Channel, even his own mother said he was crazy. The French aviator was 37 when he flew his rickety monoplane, the Bleriot 11, from Les Baraques near Calais to Dover. It was an extraordinary feat, given that many then considered flying a reckless activity. Bleriot's plane is now on display in a Paris museum.
Bleriot takes off very early in the morning, and within around 37 minutes he lands in England near Dover. The landing is difficult because he had to switch off the engine at an altitude of 20 metres before hitting the ground. The plane breaks, but he's alive and well.
The flight turned him into a celebrity and launched an industry with around 800 Bleriot 11s being mass-produced. Visitors to London's Royal Air Force Museum get to see one of them and to learn how the Bleriot led to planes being used for military purposes.
If you can imagine it, this was the centre of the world's greatest empire, and yet a Frenchman had flown across the Channel, bypassing the Royal Navy, and demonstrated that actually Britain was no longer an island, so the impact was huge.
After 1909, the race for the skies was on, and with technology advancing quickly, aircraft soon looked very different. But modern aviators do owe a big debt of gratitude to Louis Bleriot. On Saturday, enthusiasts plan to recreate the Bleriot flight, some in modern replicas, others in restored vintage aircraft. One thing they may be hard-pushed to reproduce is the same sense of wonder. Nadim, Al Jazeera, London.